पिछले एक्सरसाइजेस के साथ साथ एक नई एक्सरसाइज जो कि कतई तौर पर नई है, दिस इज द मोस्ट पायनियर एक्सरसाइज इन फील्ड ऑफ मॉन्टेसरी सिस्टम। जैसे कि मेरे सामने आपको नजर आ रहा है द पिंक टावर, एंड हियर व्हाई दिस पिंक टावर। ये जब हमारी एक्सरसाइजेस का मारिया मॉन्टेसरी की स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो देयर वर फ्यू एक्सरसाइजेस व्हिच वर क्रिएटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल्स और अकॉर्डिंग टू जजमेंट्स। तो जब आपको पता है कि मैडम मारिया मॉन्टेसरी का जो टाइम पीरियड था वो बहुत वुडन था, यू हैव सीन दोज पर्टिकुलर जनरल मटेरियल्स दैट आर मेड अप ऑफ वुड। उनमें से आज मैंने एक्सरसाइज आपके लिए चूज किया है, दैट इज पिंक टावर। व्हाई इट इज अ पिंक टावर? पिंक इज अ कलर ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, बहुत ही ऐसा कलर जो कि आंखों को स्वीट इफेक्ट देता है, जो आपको बहुत ही कूल इफेक्ट देता है और आपको प्यारा लगता है। अ चाइल्डिश कलर, दैट इज व्हाई दीज वुडन ब्लॉक्स आर मेड अप ऑफ वुड एंड क्रिएटेड इन अ पिंक कलर। व्हाई दिस इज अ टावर हियर? जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि व्हेन वी आर क्रिएटिंग समथिंग और वी आर इन अ फील्ड ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, तो जब आप कोई चीज कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, आइदर दीज आर योर विजन्स एंड दीज आर योर थॉट्स, तो वो कंस्ट्रक्शन टाइम पीरियड में आपको जो सबसे पहली चीज रिक्वायर्ड होती है, दैट इज अ ब्लॉक। एक ब्लॉक पर दूसरा ब्लॉक रखते हैं, तीसरा ब्लॉक रखते हैं, चौथा ब्लॉक रखते हैं, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू क्रिएट अ फुल वॉल। हियर इन दिस पिंक टावर वी हैव different shapes of blocks. One that can be carried easily, other that needs a little larger scale, another which has more larger scale, more, biggest one, more and more big. Holding is little heavy for a child. More. Oh, a more heaviest block. To compile these all blocks together and make in a form of tower, we need some focusing. And we create this exercise for the focus of a child, and beside all these we are given that are geometrical or mathematical interruption. How we have to start this? I have a little mat in front of me. This one is a bigger in a class environment. A colorful mat, a huge colorful mat. Because of one single reason, these blocks are in just one color. अब जब मैं अपने बच्चे को इसे देखने वाली हूँ और मैं उसे सिखाने वाली हूँ कि ये जो ब्लॉक्स है आपकी बिल्डिंग को कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, तो डेफिनेटली द बिगेस्ट वन कैन बी चूजन फर्स्ट। अगर हम स्मॉलेस्ट वन को उठा के उसमें कोई सा भी ब्लॉक रखने की कोशिश करेंगे, it cannot be balanced in a proper manner. So generally a sense is there that tells a child bigger must be come first. Papa in a family is the bigger one. So larger, bigger block is putting here with both hands. By the usage of both hands, thumbs up and fingers at the side. In the center, where is the big one now? Which one is bigger now? Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? This one? This one? This one? Yes, this one. Again, thumbs up, finger by side. Put it over biggest one. Yay! 2 blocks are there to make a tower. मेरा घर तो बन रहा है. Now, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Bigger, 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 bigger. This one is bigger, and this time we can handle it with one hand. A child is little smaller and weaker. So this time you can also give him an exercise of giving or using both hands. Finger side, thumbs up. Oh, carry another block and put it over that previous block. Now we got 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks. My tower is going to be complete in a few more blocks. Now, which one is the bigger? Which one is the bigger? This one. Yes, this one. Oh, this is a little smaller than this one. So I can keep it easily in my hands. Oh, how many blocks are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks here. Now let me complete my tower. Look, which one is bigger now? Which one is bigger now? This one is bigger. Now put it over this thumb side, and yes, we have another block on our tower. Now the big one, the big one, the big one. This is the big one. Put it over there. The tower is moving on and on and on and on. From this side, have you seen this? Oh, the surface is approximately smooth. We are giving an exercise of making tower. और अगर हम दूसरी साइड से देखेंगे तो we are making stairs for this tower. Now this one, 4 blocks are left. Which is the bigger? Which is the big? This one is big. Let's have this with 3 fingers. With 3 fingers, put it over this tower. Another block. Oh, 3 are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. Which one is big? This one is big. Put it. And on my tower. Wow, my tower is going to up and up and up and up. This one is big. This is over the previous one. Only one left. The smallest, very smallest, the small one with 2 fingers. With 2 fingers and on the top of this tower. Top of this tower, yay! Gradually, I have completed my whole tower. The block, the biggest, then the bigger, then the big one. Big, small, smaller, and the smallest one. From smallest to biggest, we have one sense of language, that is descriptional and the formations, and we have mathematical calculation. So both exercises of sensorials, EPLs and languages are connected with each other this time. ये exercise आपने पिंटार की जिस तरह से यहाँ पे की, this can be done in another form as well. आप इसको मैट पे रख के टार बना भी सकते हैं, and then you can remove this. The smallest goes down. Another one. Another one. Another one. 3 fingers holding. 4 fingers holding. Or the 5 one. 5 finger holding. Biggest one here. This one with both hands and that one. If you can have the sensorial exercise with EPL along with the mathematical geometrical form, you can ask a child to keep a made tower on the mat, and basically this mat has a vision, this mat has a reason, and the reason of the mat is this is your particular area of focusing. You cannot keep things here and there. To keep things accurate and manageable is an idea of this exercise this time. इसे आप डायरेक्टली पिंटार मैट पे भी बना सकते हैं, और दूसरा तरीका ये भी है कि फ्रॉम द other portion of carpet, keep things on mat first, and in some corner start creating your tub. Once the child start giving and doing this exercise, that will be little difficult for him because the holding of blocks is little bit difficult for a child sometimes. लेकिन अगर दूसरे से तीसरी दफा जब वो कर रहा होगा तो you will find that will be an exercise of a regular word, तो वो उसको जल्दी जल्दी से करेगा. Again and again, giving an exercise makes a person definitely perfect. तो जब regular practice होगी, उसकी perfection developed होगी, the hand-eye coordination will be developed, and definitely first attack में जो उसने block से अपना टार बनाने में time लिया था, this time after 3 to 4 exercises, he gonna make it in a perfect manner. This exercise is for the age 2 to 3 years old. As one reason, जब तक बच्चा छोटा होता है, उसका स्पैन उतना कम होता है, उसकी ग्रिपिंग एंड होल्डिंग पे आपको उतना ही काम करना होता है, उसकी फोकसिंग पे उतना ही काम करना होता है. तो big tar is especially designed for 2 to 3 years of age child. Thank you so much. See you there.